Welcome to another SP Tools online demonstration. Today we're talking about the wireless speak and worker light SP81400. This is the product here, all wrapped up in its carry case. I'll quickly open it up so we can have a look. There we go inside. So very nice case for moving it around. I'll remove that out of there. Take that out. We'll also take out the charging lead which it comes with. Okay, let's first talk about how you actually charge a unit. This is the charging lead. It's a USB based charger, so you need a USB port. In this particular toolbox I've got one here. What you would normally do with this is you would plug it in, you would open up the charging port at the end, plug it in, and the unit would begin to charge. Okay, that's very simple. Secondly, because it's got a 4.4 amp hour lithium ion battery, it can also be used as a power bank. So my second thing, there's a USB from my iPhone. I plug that in and then I plug it into my phone. You'll notice there that we are charging the phone. Okay, that's the second use for it. Unplug that. Okay, the work light's on the front here. It has two settings. I just need to double check what they are. I think it's just high and low. No, 400 lumen and 800 lumen. So I'll just quickly turn that on. That's 400 lumen. That's the 800 lumen setting. Now when the light's on, you can also check the battery charge to see how much charge is in. As you can see, this is fully charged. I'll turn that off. It also is a speaker system. It has twin speakers and links up via Bluetooth to any Bluetooth enabled device. I will quickly turn that on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
And it will now Bluetooth to my
connected.
phone. There it is. It's connected to my phone. And very simple. It's like any other music device. You simply can turn it on. And there's a little bit of speaker action. So on the end here, you'll notice it's got volume control. And then down. And then we can simply scroll forward through our library or scroll back through our library. So nice and simple. We'll turn the Bluetooth off.
Power off.
And you will have noticed when I put that on the side of the thing, it has a row of magnets on the end here. So this is a row of magnets. This is another magnet on the end. So it gives you a couple of choices. You can simply attach it sideways. When we first designed this, it was about being a toolbox light. So you can put it up in your toolbox, turn on your light, and it illuminates your workspace. Alternatively, you could use it under a car bonnet, or this as a work light. So it illuminates under where you're working at various brightnesses. So that's using the magnets on the back. Alternatively, you could attach it via the end if that was more suitable for the application. And as you can see there, like I did before, attaching it on the end if that's more suitable for the application. Last but not least, it's got a handy little carry hook on the end. So if you happen to be out enjoying the great outdoors, you could use it just like that. Turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
And let it wait for it to Bluetooth connect.
Bluetooth connected.
And there's our music while we enjoy a couple of bevies under the tent. Thanks guys, I hope this has been informative and you've learned a bit more about our speaker and work light.